Hi, my name is Lori Richard, and I am one of the chefs here at Bricklot. Sturgeon Bay is a quaint little town, and we're lucky enough to be right in the center of it. We have a large garage door that opens up for outdoor seating and to have that free-flowing air in the summertime. Bricklot here is a real good home-style bar food. We hand-cut all our fries. We make a lot of our sauces in-house. We have our soups and our great sweet chili. We really pride ourselves on doing that. Okay, first up, today I have created a Thanksgiving burger. These are our seared burgers, and they are topped with our in-house shaved turkey. And I created a spicy cranberry mustard, which is drizzled on top and accompanied with our lettuce on a nice crisp bun. I thought, what a great way. Let's grab all those things together and put that on one of our great burgers. Second up, I have made the South of the Border. That's also a burger that is quite heavily seasoned with the cayenne seasoning and cumin. On top of that, I placed the avocado, cheddar, lettuce, tomato, and this is also smeared with a sour cream salsa sauce and with crushed tortillas on the top. Next, I have prepared the Jucy Lucy. I had a customer ask me to put a lot of jalapenos on his burger. And to make it good and juicy, I made this sauce with the cream cheese in between these two great patties, topped with the red onion. It's just a great way to make a good sloppy Wisconsin burger. Last but not least, I have prepared the Bricklot Special. This is one of our main staples. People come in to see this great, humongous burger. It is topped with bacon, smoked brick cheese, lettuce, tomato, also topped with our French fried onion rings, drizzled with the in-house made barbecue sauce.